Start by blooming 6 grams of gelatin powder in 50 milliliters of milk. Stir with a spoon and let sit for 5 to 10 minutes. To a small pot, add 50 grams of sugar, 100 milliliters of milk, and 300 milliliters of cream. Turn it on low heat and stir until all the sugar is dissolved and the liquid is hot to the touch. Turn off the heat, then add the bloomed gelatin and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix thoroughly. Then pour the panna cotta into serving cups. Let the panna cotta chill for a few hours in the fridge until completely set. Now I'm going to heat up 150 milliliters of orange juice and 30 grams of sugar to make a simple orange syrup. Reduce for about 5 minutes until it becomes a thick syrup. Spoon as much or as little syrup as you like onto your panna cotta before serving. The tart citrusy syrup pairs very well with the luscious and creamy panna cotta.